Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your perfect girl again, Lillian Usuno. Yes, you guys like my looks. So guys, I'm so happy this night. Yeah, it's 9:15 p.m. already, so I'm shooting. So I'm so happy, so I decided to say, okay, why not capture this moment? So guys, you all know that I ordered something from Shein last month. Yeah, so when I finished ordering my stuff, they said that it's going to take 10 to 28 days for the order to arrive in Nigeria. So I said, okay, maybe I will be expecting this order next month or this month ending. So to my greatest surprise, they called me on Monday, yeah, this week Monday, and said, Lillian, you have order from Shein. Are you at home? I said yes. And secondly, I was thinking that I would be the one to go and pick it up at the post office. To my greatest surprise, guys, they brought it to my house. So they called me on Monday, which was on the 7th. Which was on the 7th of February. They called me that my order have arrived, that if I was at home, and I said yes, I'm at home. I was so surprised, guys. I was so surprised. It was not even up to 14 days. Yeah, it was not even up to 14 days. Let's say 11 days or 12 days. Yeah, so I was so surprised that the order arrived in Nigeria on time, despite they sent me emails telling me that my order is going to delay with 2 to 3 days because of the, I don't know, because of the COVID stuff, I don't know. So they sent me. I was like, okay, as long as I get my parcel, there is no need for me to worry about the 2 days delay or the 3 days delay. So like I said, on Monday, and they called me, I said yes, I was at home. The reason why I did not shoot the video on Tuesday, today is Friday. The reason why I didn't shoot the video on Tuesday was because, guys, last week Friday, when I went out, I went to do something, I went to buy something. So I was not feeling fine. I was feeling feverish. I was like having this headache. Was just too much. The headache was just too much. I was having this headache. So I was thinking, okay, maybe it's because I was a little bit stressed. That is why I'm feeling this headache. Not knowing that it was because of the malaria and the typhoid fever I was about to have. It was inside my body. So when I got home, I said, okay, let me rest, let me drink a lot of water. I drank water, I rest, I woke up, and I was still feeling the headache. I said, okay, let me go buy paracetamol, Panadol. So I went to buy Panadol, and I take 2 in the morning. I was not able to go out. I was not able to go out. I sent someone to go and help me buy it. So I take 2. The same thing, this thing was not going. So I have to call my mom and say, look at what is going on. They said, you better not do self-medication. Go and run some tests, guys. Go and run some tests. So I went to the lab. So they took my blood, and they run the malaria and typhoid test. And guys, my typhoid was 160, and the normal was supposed to be 80 or 60, but mine was 160. So my malaria was malaria plus, guys, only me, malaria and typhoid. So that is when I went to buy some malaria medicine and what is it called, typhoid medicine. And guys, I'm better and I'm feeling better. I'm still going to take my typhoid tablet this evening because it's remaining 3 tablets, so I have to finish the whole thing. So guys, I'm here with my clothes, So guys, I will be trying it on right now, so that you all can see. And please comment down below any of the dress you like, you love. Just comment down below. Let's interact on the comment section. Let me put on my AC, I'm sweating. So guys, let's try it on. First, let's see what is inside this. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try this. Okay, I guess let me remove my wig first. Okay, let's try this. Ooh. Okay, I don't know if I should turn the camera like this. I don't know. Guys, let me turn the camera. So guys, this is the first dress. Hey, voila. Let me zip it. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. There's a slit here, guys. So what did you think about this beautiful blue dress? What did you think about it? Like, I love it. I love this dress. So much love it, guys. Wow. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. Let me know. Get naked here. Okay, this done. So let's try this. Okay. Oh, okay. This is a red. Let's try this, guys. I'm so happy. I love it. I love it. I just pray it's not tight. I just pray. I so much love it. Okay. Because of my makeup, I'm not wearing anything. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Does this look? Okay, there's how will I do this now? Oh. I'm so happy, guys. So guys, did you like this? So guys, check it out. What did you think about this red print dress? Red print dress. What did you think about this, guys? Oh, I love it. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, this is green. This is green. It wanted to look like that, but the design are not the same thing. The design are not the same. Let's see this. Oh, it's too small. This is too small for me. It's too small. Okay, there's okay, I need to open it. I was about to cry, guys. I was just about to cry that it was too small, not knowing there was a zip at the side of the dress. Okay. I'm just careful because of my of my makeup. Okay, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, I guess it's still too small. Too small. Okay, how will I do this now? Have to like this. So okay, I guess this is too small. It's too small for me. This is too small for me, and I love this. Aww, really sad right now. This is a black. This is a black dress. Is it supposed to be like this? I don't know. Or like this. Is it like this or this? I don't know. Okay, maybe I'll wear it like this. Let's do it this way. I don't know. How does this work? So guys, and I love this too. Hey. I love this too. So now again, I will have to pull it to wear another one. So this is the second, the last and the second black. Let's see how this goes. Like up. So guys, when I saw this, I was like, okay, this dress is going to be too big for me. Not knowing it's not. I think I love this dress. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love this. I love this dress. Oh. I just love it. I love all the dress I order. I love it. Oh my. Hey guys, I think I'll be wearing this to church on Sunday. What did you all think? I love this one. Like, just don't mind me. Guys, I so much love this dress. So guys, like the green dress, I love the dress, but it was too tight for me. Although I love all the dress I've ordered, and they are true to my size. They are true to my size. And again, I ordered for another stuff. I ordered for a pair of jeans, like 4 pair of jeans and 1 gown, and what did I order again? And some makeup stuff, and that cost me $100 too. This cost me $100, and the other one cost me $100. Yeah, so no, the other one cost me $97. Why this in naira cost me 50,000? I bought all of this for 50,000 naira. 5 dress, 3 belts, rings, and a bag for 50,000 naira. So let's say the 5 dress cost, like, super cheap, guys, 7,000 naira. So let's just say 7,000 naira for 1 dress. Yeah, And the quality of this dress is top notch, guys. It's top notch. It's just top notch. I just love it. Anytime I want to order for some stuff, for my clothes, my makeup stuff, although they don't sell good hairs there, they don't have good hairs, and again they only have makeup tools and not the eyeshadow stuff and the rest. And also what they also sell is the necklace, ankle chain, bracelets, rings, trouser, anything apart from the makeup and the hair. They don't have good hair. Like I said, they have hairs there, but it's not a good hair, it's a fiber hair. So this will be the end of my video. We have come to the end of the unboxing and what is this skin called? Shein try haul. Like, what is it called? I don't know what it's called. So I will have to clean my room now. It's a little bit messy, like my makeup is all over the place. I need to quickly clean it up, and it's late already, so that I can go and wash this makeup off. The dress I just won, just comment down below the one you love the most. Yes guys, comment down below the one you love the most, and in the comment section I will be replying you guys. I will be replying you guys, like just comment down below the one you love most. And again, like I said, the green one that I still love, but I will have to give that to my junior sister because it's too tight for me, so I can't force it before I will go and what is it called, before we go and tear it. Yeah, I can't force it. So guys, I'm just loving this makeup I did. I'm just loving it. So guys, okay, like I said, this will be the end of this video. And don't, please guys, if you just enjoy what you just saw, like what I just showed you guys, if you enjoy it, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the post notifications, keep you updated. And again, when my second order arrive, I'm still going to show it to you guys. Yeah, I just spread the jeans I bought inside me. If not, I'm just going to be crying there. I'm just going to be crying. So don't forget to subscribe. Click on the post notification to keep you updated, so that anytime I drop some hit video, you will be the first person to be notified. And again, don't forget to help me share this video, and I love you guys. I love you. Bye.